Okay guys, today we'll be talking about Lightroom, and we're just going to do a basic adjustments to these pictures. So first of all, if you don't know how to import pictures into Lightroom, I did a video about that earlier on, so you can check that. It's one of my popular videos. So let's start by reducing the highlights. Highlights are not good, as we all know. Then increasing the shadows. So let's just pop up the whites a little. This picture is a picture of a close friend of mine, Kenyan, a forex trader and teacher. So let me just increase the exposure a little bit. So let me zoom into the picture to see if it's too bright. So I think this is okay. So as you can see, just these minor adjustments have boosted the picture very well. It has boosted the picture. If you want to know, you can just do the before and after on this button. Before and after, before, after, left and right. So that's just it. So look at the before, this is the after. So any other thing I would like to do on this picture won't be on Lightroom, of course, to be on Photoshop. If I want to sharpen the picture, Photoshop. If I want to do some color adjustments or color grading in Photoshop, this is these are what are this is what is necessary. Just highlights, shadows, whites and black. For me personally, for me, this is just what I do. So next up, I'll have to copy these settings to other pictures. So instead of going to each and every one of them individually, I'll just click on this one I did editing on and toggle on the last one, hold down shift and click on the last picture. Then the sync option will come up, then click on sync and synchronize pasting settings. So I think it's done. So I'll just have to go to all them. I like this picture. Yeah, I think they are good. The color, the exposure is good on all of them. This is good. If I'm to tune them down, I'll do that on Photoshop. So this is also good. So I think I'll do a video on how to work on backgrounds with one of these images. Let me know what your suggestions are. I think it will be this one. I'll use this one, or I might use this. So maybe, okay, I'll use this or this. So this is all for now, guys. Like this video, turn on post notification, comment, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.